Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter. Chapter number 6, Retirement or Death of a Partner. Again, from Mark's point of view, very important chapter, carries total 9 marks, one 8 marker essay type question and a short 1 marker theory or MCQ is asked from this chapter. Now, first of all, we need to understand its concept. Okay, let's go for meaning of it. Retirement of a partner means when any partner leaves the firm due to personal reasons, but remaining partners continue the business. At that time, the retirement or death of partner process is carried forward. When in a partnership firm, one or the other partner leaves the firms due to personal reasons, but other partners continue with the business activity, such a situation is known as retirement of a partner. In this case, old agreement of partnership comes to an end and new agreement also sometimes comes to in force. Two major circumstances of retirement of partnership are as per Indian Partnership Act or voluntary retirement a person can have due to personal reasons. See, Indian Partnership Act states that when all partners decide they can go with the consent of everyone, retirement is possible. Even if a partner gives a notice or if it is mentioned in the contract or if any partner is declared insolvent or if death of any partner occurs. These are the normal circumstances as per Indian Partnership Act when partner is retired. Second, voluntary. Yes, any partner due to personal reasons can voluntarily go for an retirement. Under this situation, if a partner is an active partner, he has to give a public notice that public notice stating that he is no more the partner of firm, so that third parties are active in clearing their liabilities.
Following are the important aspects considered at the time of retirement or death of a partner. First, new PL and gain calculation. Even goodwill is valued and effect of it is given. Revaluation of assets and liabilities is done. Distribution of accumulated PL is to be done. Even the payment of the amount due to the retiring partner has to be settled. Okay?
First and foremost concept is to be how the new PL or gain ratio is calculated. Normally, new PL is calculated where, see, in normal sense, if old ratio is given and nothing is mentioned, then drop down method is used. Practically, we will understand. Even when gain ratio of continuing partner is given in a ratio or a proportion, how to calculate new PL, that we will understand with short sums. Let us go with practical sums of it.